Hi beautiful peeps, what's up? Good morning world, how are you doing? So guys, I'm sitting outside and look at me. I have my mask and I have a different one in the car. So guys, today is my son's birthday and I'm gonna go on the road. I'm gonna buy him a cake, maybe some pizza. I think I'm gonna get him something special. He said he wants only money for his birthday, so we already gave him money. My husband, um and everybody involved who wants to give him money gave him money, and I did too. So I want to give him a little something special, so my mom said to go get him a cake. I'm just gonna get him a little cheap cake and maybe a pizza, and I'm gonna see what I can get him as a little gift. All right guys, so come on the road with me. We're gonna go shopping a little bit, and I think I might drop by Walmart. I'm not sure yet. Hope you can see what I'm wearing. There, that's better. All right guys, I'm gonna go into the bank and then I'll see you when I come out. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some cash and draw just cash a check. All right, the time hot, you see man. So that's the guest store. Can you see it guys? There it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna see if I find something fancy for my son. All right, come on with me. So guys, I'm in my mask. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I choose this one for my son and we're gonna see how he likes it. He likes red. All right, so I'm gonna cash it. So guys, I can take my mask off. I got him his gift and you see the one that I chose. Yeah. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go to Walmart and grab my daughter some undies, and I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't need anything. I just need to hurry up and get the hell out and get home. All right guys, I see you later. I'm eating a little piece of apple and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go into Urban Planet. I'm gonna see if I get 2 t-shirts for him, and then I'm gonna come out like 5 minutes. See how I'm sweating? Well, I'm not really sweating, I'm shining. Yeah, the sun hot so till. Anyhow, I did my Urban Planet shopping. I got 2 t-shirts for myself and I got some nice little top for my daughter and slippers and 2 slippers for myself. I'll do the haul when I get home because it's not too hot now. Anyhow, I'm just gonna run into Walmart, pick up a few items, just some undies for my daughter, and I'm gonna run out back. All right, I'm not going to show you. I'll just show you what I buy when I come out. Okay, guys? All right. I'm going to be right back because I'm going to have my mask on. All right, my peeps. So I'm home and this is the cake I bought him. And I bought some pizza for my daughter and my son. So, guys, this is my quick little Walmart grocery haul. I bought lots of fruit, so I'm trying to stay healthy, and I need to lose like 10 pounds more. All right, I bought some fresh ripe bananas, some lemon, some mangoes, and I bought some, I don't know if you know this guys, this is plantain. I'm gonna let them ripe, or you can use them green to make fried plantain or porridge. I bought 1 squash. I bought 2 packs of strawberries, fresh and nice, them juicy. May have some of this one already on the way. And I have some cucumber. I have some apples. I have some pomegranate. I have 2 there. I have a big pineapple, so big. I have some ginger, and I have some red bell pepper. They said the red one is the healthiest. And I have some tomatoes. I bought this little treat for my daughter. It's on sale for $138. She likes this, so I bought that for her. And 2 juicy watermelon. All right. Sometimes I make salad and I pick up some cranberries. So these cranberries just $5 for the pack. And I got some corns. I got like an instant ginger drink. You can use it hot or cold, or you can put it in your smoothie, either or. And I got 1 coconut water. I'm gonna drink this down now. I got 2 Walmart Equate meal replacement. I got them for my daughter. She likes them. Like I diluted with half of milk and half of this for her. She likes that flavor. I got these on sale. Some bagels. I didn't see this was $110, but anyhow, I thought they were all 82 cents, and I got 6 bags in total. 3. This is my favorite and my son's favorite. This one is the what you call it, cinnamon and raisin, and this one is just a plain for my daughter. And I got a little treat here. This one I had long time, but I got this little treat for them. And over here I got 3 cans of baked bean. That's my little Walmart haul. I'm hungry. And I got 3 cases of water, just the smaller water, Nestle. And my son put those in the basement. And I'm gonna show you what I bought for him. He's not down here, so I'm just gonna throw everything on the floor. I got this pack of undies at Walmart for my daughter. And I got this for my son. It's just a short jeans, just like that. I got that for him. There it is. And I got 2 v-neck t-shirts, just the plain. He likes the plain. And I got these slippers for my daughter. I'm gonna try it, see if it fits. If not, I have to return it or exchange it. I got a nice white t-shirt for myself. I also got this for my son, Rockaware. It will go well with the shorts, jean shorts. And I got these 2 slippers for myself. They were like $10 each. I got these shirt for my daughter because she's getting big, so I got them in medium. They're little like 3/4 tops, but they will fit her for full for sure. And I got the black that says baby girl. I got this extra. This one is in small. I thought it was in medium, but anyhow, I got that one. I also got this for her in medium. I like this one too. And I also got this one, guys. This is my favorite one. It said vibes. All right. And where's my receipt now? I got this one for myself. It's so springy and summery, really nice. They were all half off. Okay, guys, so my total before tax was $95. After tax is $107, and that's nice. I love these slippers, guys. They're so cute, so pretty. I have some pizza for the kids and little treat and some watermelon water. We're doing water today, and we have a cake. The cake fell, guys, but it still says happy birthday. All right, so Amir, you're gonna blow your cake out and make a good wish. Happy birthday. Say hi to Marcy and everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Come over here. Come blow it out. Make a wish.
I know y'all are sending wishes.
And Auntie Kevin and everybody.
Everyone. Before it goes out, I'll blow it out.
Yeah, blow it. You make a wish?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sunny, come cut it now with Amir. Amir, cut it. Cut a slice. You say happy birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Amir. We love you and we wish you all the best for the future, okay? You're gonna help Amir cut it out.
Ready?
Hold the cake and help Amir cut it.
Come on over.
No, you gotta cut the cake, Amir. She gotta feed you.
She's gonna feed me?
Yeah, she gotta.
1, 2, 3. Cut it.
It's your birthday.
Yay. Cut a big slice now. Sunny gonna feed you? You're gonna feed Amir.
Feed me?
No.
Not gonna mix slice.
Oh God, a big
He's
slice.
a big boy.
He's a big
Yeah.
boy for a big slice.
He doesn't need anyone to feed him.
Move this. Move this in the way.
You get cake with that, you get no cake.
No? Ooh, that's a nice slice.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You gonna feed me?
Feed Amir's piece, Sonny.
I make the worst slices of them all.
It's fine. Still the same cake.
Yeah. All
Kiss
right.
him, now hug him and kiss
Give
him.
him a hug and a kiss now.
Why are you so shy? Come here.
Yeah. There you go. Ah, that's nice. All right. Happy birthday, Amir. We love you and we hope you live to see many, many more to come. All right.
Thank you very much. Thank
Okay.
you for the cake.
So guys, it's my son's birthday and we just have a little eat out, nothing fancy. So now this is the good part. He got his cash already from last night, right Amir?
Yes.
He got cash from my husband. I think his dad gonna give him some cash too, and everybody else, me and my daughter and everybody involved.
Is your daughter working?
No. And I bought something special for him. So this is from Urban Planet, and Amir, here you go.
Thank you.
I want the point.
You see, guys? Look at it.
Oh, cool.
Mm,
You like it? Turn the
where's
front,
the rest
Amir.
of it?
That's your first date with your Caucasian girl.
How you remember that? Jesus have mercy.
He's a mess. And then you got this shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, it's a
Rock-
has a hood.
Rockaway, yeah.
You going back old school?
Yeah. They have it without too, but I thought you didn't have one with it, so I tried to get that one.
And then we got some of these.
Some teas.
This from dollar store, man.
You must be out of order. Hold it down a little bit, Amir. You're holding it too high.
No
Yeah.
idea where it's from, but it's appreciated. So
It's from Urban Planet.
Urban
What shall
Planet,
make
I'm
you
joking, Amir.
joking? See the price on it. Look at it. They're on sale. There's one more.
Don't come here, bitch, because I got to make fun of you, bitch. Yeah, one more.
then there's another one.
Yeah, just teas.
That one,
I like this one better. 'cause
Yeah,
It's
V-neck and
The next, the white one, the old man style.
with this one.
No.
it's Rockaway.
Yeah, Rockaway.
Yeah, this is old school.
Yeah. Those nice as summer.
Yeah.
Really now.
rocking these.
And on behalf of me, something for you.
You got the my store.
Actually, you see it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I like it.
You like it?
Mm.
And then you can adjust it. I don't know if you can do it yourself, but we can go back and they adjust it to fit your hands.
You see it?
Put it on. You gotta put it on, Amir.
I know.
Just put
You
it
like the color?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I should not show you the price. Holy Shirley, I got to take the price out.
on. It's on final sale, Amir.
Ah!
I don't care about money
Okay.
like stuff.
Yeah.
One. Hey. Put it on.
Don't give him the price, Shirley.
I gotta adjust it.
Yeah.
What?
What time is it, Amir? What?
It's my time.
You like the color?
Yeah.
It's big for his hand, though.
Yeah, he's gonna. They
Gonna
can.
have to adjust
Yeah,
it.
they
Take
can.
it.
I just gotta eat more. So.
Eat no more. So you can wear the watch with the Caucasian girl.
Love you.
I love you
Take
too.
a picture.
Come.